Welcome Mr. and Miss PGSD FKIP UT student to the online tutorial tutor class PDGK4304 English Education for Elementary School Teachers in the second session. In this tutor class, we are going to learn the material that has been presented in the Mind Material Book BMP Module 2. We urge you before actively participating in this session, you should click the attendance list and 2. The module initiation materials 2. We expect your activeness in the discussions room both by asking questions or statements related to initiations material or ideas submitted by other students.